Wow. Wow, this is nice. This is so nice. So nice. Just look at this. Amazing. Lots of high sky-rise buildings here, but this is something which will catch your eye here in Malaysia. देख सकते हैं, not even a single trash. Roads are absolutely pothole free. That's the second tallest building in the world, by the way, after Burj Khalifa. It's all surrounded by complete fountain here, and in the middle you have the war heroes.
Let's see how lucky you are.
गुड इवनिंग फ्रॉम कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट। आज हम लोग हैं नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस एयरपोर्ट पे। हम लोग निकल रहे हैं कुआलालंपुर के लिए एंड हमारा फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन रहेगा फिलीपींस। सो चलिए, बहुत भीड़ है एयरपोर्ट पे, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। चलते हैं हमारी जर्नी पे, और दिस विल बी अ 2-day ट्रिप टू कुआलालंपुर एंड 3 to 4 days trip to Manila. So I'll keep you guys posted, and let's see how Malaysia treats us. Coming to pricing, it cost us around 42,000 for 2 people from Kolkata to Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and it was total of 4 hours journey. So we are here at Malaysian Airlines. First impressions? Okay. जैसा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे वैसा बहुत ज़्यादा हाई फाई नहीं है। हाँ?
अभी तो बस बैठे हैं।
हाँ, मतलब वही फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन इज फाइन। And they have provided charging dock here for USB-A and USB-C, and you can see some documentations here, and you can keep your things there. टेक्निकली फ्लाइट थोड़ा छोटा है। It's like Indigo only, but we were expecting to be a little bit bigger. थोड़ा छोटा लग रहा है, मुझे लग रहा था थोड़ा बड़ा होगा। एक्चुअली हम लोग आते ही सबसे पहले सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस देख लिए, तो उसके कंपैरिजन में छोटा लग रहा है। चलिए आगे देखते हैं कैसा रहता है। So I would give Malaysian Airlines a solid 8 out of 10. The staff behavior was cool, the food was good, everything was on time, the flight was on time, and no issues basically with the airline, so it was all good. And when we reached, the first thing we saw was Malay में toilet को tandas बोलते हैं, so it's like sandas in Hindi and tandas in Malay. So yeah, that's how it was, and we got our baggage on time. No damages received on the baggage as well, so thumbs up to Malaysian Airlines. Hello, welcome from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. We are here at the airport waiting for our taxi. So everything was smooth. Immigration, the luggage, everything we got properly. Customs कोई रोका नहीं हम लोगों ने, क्योंकि लगेज काफ़ी लिमिटेड था हम लोग का। सो अगर आप आते हैं तो सबसे पहले यू विल गो वाया 3-step process. You will get immigration, then you will collect your luggage, and then you will go via customs. So we are here waiting for our taxi, and just have a look at the airport outside. It's looking great. It's pretty humid here. We came from around close to 13 degrees, 14 degrees to close to 28 degrees here. I do not see any rainfall, so seems like weather is pretty good. So हम लोग जल्दी से बैठेंगे एंड बैठकर वापस चलेंगे होटल से तुरंत हम लोग को फिर निकलना है डे टूर के लिए। सो चलो, सी यू इन द डे टूर। Here we are at Ibis Styles. see if the lens is dirty. Yeah. चलो. So, आ गए हम लोग रूम में. Quick room tour. Small and compact. जैसा एक्सपेक्ट किया था हम लोगों ने. यहाँ से व्यू है क्या? हाँ अच्छा व्यू अच्छा है यार. नाइस. बैठ के यहाँ पे कॉफी पीने में मजा आएगा. It was good. Provided a TV, working table, water, tea, coffee, kettle. Provided fridge which is empty. Sitting chair. रखने की जगह यहाँ पे. Open wardrobe. नीचे safe. So basically सब कुछ. छोटू सा. छोटू सा. दिया तो है इधर. So basically जो भी चीज़ चाहिए सब कुछ है. अब thing is like we'll quickly get changed up and we'll have something quickly for breakfast and we'll leave for our day tour. So see you at the tour. So we are ready to leave in our outfit and look how pretty she is looking. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god. Arigato Yamamoto-san. Just look at her. Chef's kiss. चलिए ब्रेकफास्ट का आज मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा. ब्रेकफास्ट का I'll show you another time. It's time to you know have quick food and just क्योंकि ड्राइवर वेट कर रहा है. 10 बजे डॉट छोड़ना है हमें. चलो see you at the trip. It was a prepaid half day tour and second half we were planning to visit the KL Tower. So here we are at the Railway Administration building. ये 1917 में बना था. It's very old and it's still functional. अच्छी बात ये है कि अभी भी functional है and people still work from here and अभी कुछ maintenance चल रहा है तो इसलिए अभी ये लोग weekend में बंद किए हुए हैं. You can see, you can have the whole view. There's Dipti. So it's really huge and it's very old and it's good that they maintained so nicely. आप देख सकते हो कुछ भी कचरा वचरा नहीं है. रोड पे भी आप देख रहे हो कुछ कचरा नहीं है. It's amazing how they have everything is well maintained and absolutely no trash anywhere. That's one good thing. I do not see any trash anywhere. So it's good. It's a good photo stop. You can have good pictures here and okay, चलो जाते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टॉप पे. देखते हैं कहाँ मिलते हैं. And it's basically the headquarters. You can see here and still operational. 1917 का बना हुआ है. Still operational and still in such a good condition. Just see it. Amazing. Hats off. देख सकते हैं not even a single trash. Roads are absolutely pothole free. That's the second tallest building in the world, by the way, after Burj Khalifa. You can have a look. Marian Tower बोलते हैं इसको. That's the second tallest building. Where is our car? अच्छा था। यहाँ पे आप कहीं भी रुक नहीं सकते हैं, गाड़ी कहीं भी लगा नहीं सकते। As you can see, this is the National Mosque. We did have plans to go there, but we changed it last minute because we wanted some more time in Petronas during the daytime. So if you want, you can visit this as well when you're here in Kuala Lumpur. It's nice. It's pretty huge and it's worth giving a shot. So here we are at the Merdeka Square. Merdeka Square, which is being rebuilt. उसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चल रहा है उधर मर्डेगा स्क्वायर में। एंड काफ़ी अच्छा व्यू आता पीछे, वो सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट टावर, एंड इधर मर्डेगा स्क्वायर, डाटान मर्डेगा आप देख सकते हैं। सो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं आगे। टॉलेस्ट फ्लैग पोल है, वहाँ पे मलेशिया का झंडा है। बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा धूप है। आओ तो वहाँ पे छाँव है। हाँ, सो मर्डेगा स्क्वायर इज़ फेमस क्योंकि यहाँ पर मलेशियन इंडिपेंडेंस डिक्लेयर हुआ था फर्स्ट टाइम एंड सेंटर ऑफ मलेशिया। अभी जस्ट चेक किया मैंने, व्हाई इज़ दिस मर्डेगा स्क्वायर फेमस। तो यही पे सारे लोग मिलकर इंडिपेंडेंस डिक्लेयर किए थे मलेशिया का। एंड दिस इज़ द टॉलेस्ट फ्लैग पोल एज यू कैन सी। इट्स वेरी सनी, very sunny out here. So if you come, try to come during when it's a little bit cloudy because there is absolutely no shade here. Absolutely no shade. थोड़ा मोड़ा इधर उधर शेड है तो आप रह सकते हो। So that's all. Perpustakaan Kuala Lumpur. Perpustakaan Kuala Lumpur. So that's it. That's all about Merdeka Square and the tallest flag hoisted for independence basically. So we're gonna click some photos and I'll see you in the car. So यहाँ जब आप आएंगे तो आपको तीन चीज़ एक साथ देखने को मिलेगा। मर्डेगा स्क्वायर, कौन अहमद का म्यूज़ियम था वो, एंड द इंडिपेंडेंस पोल फ्लैग होस्ट। तीन चीज़ आपको देखने को मिलेगा यहाँ पे जब आप आएंगे। एंड स्मॉल थिंग्स, यहाँ पे सीवर भी आप देख रहे हो, टाइल्स लगा हुआ है सीवर में। छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं which you notice which could be done in India also. So here we are at the Petronas Twin Tower. It's right here. Lots of high sky-rise buildings here, but this is something which will catch your eye here in Malaysia. So this iconic 88-story skyscraper hosts the Petronas Oil Company. Yes, they have their offices here. And just look at this amazing, gorgeous model walking. I mean, seriously, every time I see her, I fall in love with her. This tower, you will find Surya KLCC. This kind of a mall. यहाँ पे आप खा पी सकते हो, यहाँ पे आप शॉपिंग भी कर सकते हो। They host one of the most luxury, outlets here in Kuala Lumpur. Any luxury brand you're looking for, you'll get here. And they had amazing Christmas celebration happening that day. So this was some of the amazing looks of the mall, and it was quite big. I mean, not as big as Dubai Mall because that's the largest mall. But we didn't had lunch there. We actually headed to somewhere place near NZ Curry. So because there were a lot of beef and lamb and pork in the options in the mall, so we headed outside. So beside the Twin Towers, you have NZ Curry House.
So it's a very good place to eat. You will see there's a way where those guys are going. You can have your food here, and there's a currency exchange beside it. So it's right opposite to the Petronas Twin Tower. You'll find this nice eating place. Happy with the food? Chalo, let's go. So we are here at the War Memorial. Basically, यहाँ पर इंडिपेंडेंस के वक्त जो वॉर हुआ था उसका मेमोरियल बनाया है इन्होंने. So Deepthi is here for free Wi-Fi, but we are here for you, so that you guys can witness things sitting back at home. और यहाँ धूप में सड़ के मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊँ ये, और आप लोग सब्सक्राइब भी ना करो. उन तक नहीं टिका कसाप पहलवान यंग ग्लोरियस डेड. 3 वॉर हुआ था आई गेस. तीनों वॉर के सारे वहाँ पे नाम आपको दिख नहीं रहे होंगे, सबके नाम है वहाँ पे. So all the spots which we are traveling right now comes under half day tour, in case you are wondering, and all of them are free, so you don't have to pay anything for any of the places we just went. Only अभी हम लोग जाएंगे इसके बाद चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री एंड KL टावर डेक. KL टावर में अगर आपको ऊपर जाना है तो उसके लिए आपको पैसा पे करना पड़ेगा. बाकी आज के दिन का सब कुछ फ्री. So this is pretty cool. Let's see how big it is. अभी जा रहे हैं हम लोग, आगे से दिखाता हूँ. हाँ हाँ आगे से चल के देखते हैं. There you go. It's all surrounded by complete fountain here, and in the middle you have the war heroes, dedicated to the heroic fighters of cause of peace and freedom. May the peace of blessing of Allah be upon us. कितने की माथा में दर्द हो रहा है.
Guys, you won't believe we came from so much thanda, and here it is. I don't know what the temperature, but it's burning. The sun is burning.
So this is the memorial. This is the war memorial, basically everything of it. It's December and it's hot as hell. पानी लेके चलना पड़ रहा है. Just imagine. And just for you, if you're traveling these places, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see, chalo. And if you wish to look at our personal images, personal post, Instagram post and Facebook post, I'll provide the link here. Please follow us on Instagram as well. We post funny reels and something which you won't see on YouTube basically. So follow us on Instagram. So we're going to the chocolate factory to buy some chocolates. और तो ज़्यादा कुछ ले नहीं पाएंगे मलेशिया से, चॉकलेट्स ही ले लेते हैं. Lots of tourist buses here, you see. Everyone comes and stop here to buy chocolates. I guess कुछ ना कुछ तो कमीशन होगा इनका. I feel so, but let's see. I'll call you.
糖尿病人呐、老年人呐、血糖高啊都可以吃的。另外呢，还可以做成
Basically, they're telling
这个是
how
泡水饮料。
chocolates made.
还有呢，就是我们的炒
This is basically completely
巧克力最好吃的。
refining the chocolates.
它的有什么不一样吗？那个特色一点的辣椒。辣椒巧克力。啊，辣椒巧克力不好吃，但是卖得很火爆的，不懂为什么。
Can barely understand anything. Oh, let's check things out inside.
啊，就是这个小人呐、敌人呐、
No camera. So we got some chocolates from here. Police chocolate with them. So chocolate tasted really good. We were not in the mood to buy something, but it really tasted different and good. They had mint, strawberry, and usual normal white milk chocolates. So अच्छा था. So we had to buy something. चलो चले KL Tower. चलिए KL Tower. So we are here at the KL Tower. So here is this observation deck Sky Terrace. And there is a combo. Teeny cheese hai. We have this combo. So we've taken the Russian Deck and Sky Terrace combo. देखते हैं कैसा रहता है ऊपर जाकर.
I'm ready.
What's the stacking?
2 people.
Just go one by one.
Yes. Just make it. There goes the ultimate. Wow. Wow, this is nice. This is so nice. So nice. Just look at this. Amazing. You guys can't see what I can see with my eyes. I'm afraid you can't see what I see with my eyes. And we're gonna quickly click some photos because it's little empty here right now, and then we'll come back to talking with you guys. And there's the glass box. हाँ बस ऊपर में थोड़ा सा वो ऊपर, और इसके ऊपर भी है क्या कुछ? इसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. So that's the glass box where you have to pay extra, and the rest everything is included in your combo tickets if you buy one. So it's very nice. So क्यों? ओ चलो देखा जाएगा. So the price for glass box is 20 ringgit and it per person. And that's for 45 seconds, and they take cards only, no cash. So if you plan to visit the glass box, do bring card with you. We're going to have another pictures at the Petronas glass box, and we'll see which photo comes better. There's the Petronas tower, and there's the glass box, or they call it skybox. So we spent total of 40 ringgits in both the glass box, 20 each for 2 persons. You get 45 seconds to get your photos clicked. They have a separate cameraman as well, but you can pay not to choose and click your own photos. So that's how it is, and the that's all about Sky Terrace, and we'll be going to the glass box. We'll be going to the observation deck now. We covered Sky Terrace and glass box, and there is no online ticket for glass box. You have to come to the Sky Terrace and buy your own tickets. 10 ringgits for each person, 45 seconds. You're welcome. This is the observation deck. It's a bit covered, so you can see it's all covered. You don't have that full view from here. What you have from the sky deck and Sky Terrace. So, good thing is that you have telescope here, like we had in Dubai for Burj Khalifa. You can use this, and you have lots of shops here to buy stuffs, to buy souvenirs. We'll be also buying, but not from here. It will be highly overpriced. We know that. So yeah, basically more over the same thing. So I would recommend, if you go for sky deck, don't go for observation deck. And if you're going for just observation deck, if you have the budget, upgrade it to sky deck, because it's all covered and you see, the view is fine, but not as good as the sky deck. So that's it for the KL Tower, and I'll see you because the driver will drop off us at the Petronas Tower. We are done with today's everything. We'll spend some time exploring Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur specifically, and then we'll head back. We'll catch a grab and we'll get back to our hotel. Okay, chalo, see you while having some fun in the evening. देखिए, मलेशिया में भी पानी पूरी स्टॉल है. There are massages, but it's really strange here. पानी पूरी स्टॉल है. So KL Tower is sorted. We're heading back to our KLCC area to have some fun, relax, chill, and रात में फाउंटेन शो देख के ही हम लोग फिर वापस होटल जाएंगे. That's the plan. So now we are heading towards this open area जहाँ से KL Tower का फोटो आएगा अच्छा, and we'll take some good photos, and then we'll leave from here. We'll call the driver and we'll leave from here. Come on Dipti, show your art skills. So it's like you need to follow 2 social media accounts, and you can paint any part of the historic towers here. She's gonna try.
So this one is hub for the green.
Painter wife enjoying her time here, painting things in Malaysia as well. Probably she doesn't know my wife holds diploma in painting, so उसको सिखा रही है. उसको पता नहीं, उसको सब कुछ आता है. Funny, but yeah, it's nice. Nice to keep few things like this here to involve the people into the artwork. That's good.
Let's see how lucky you are. $20%? Is it? Lucky. Any item here, you got 20% off. Or you can also go to our shop. Let me give you the voucher.
She just won 20% off on spin wheel. I hardly think she will purchase anything, but yeah, it's fun. Spending time here is fun. So we are at KLCC mall here, and everyone is cosplaying. और दीप्ति का ब्रेन फक हो रहा है कि ये कर क्या रही है लोग. So you can have view of basically people here. Everyone is watching anime and cosplaying. You can see in the front of the stairs, you can see everyone there. Everyone is cosplaying. Everyone is cosplaying. So it's weird. We don't know if there is any such event or something, or it's a Christmas thing for them. If anyone is from Malaysia, please do let me know if that's a Christmas thing, because so many cosplay people, everyone is losing their mind. Even the foreign tourists are like, क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? क्या करना है? खाना है यहाँ पे? Hello from KLCC mall. So it was a great first day. Just giving a summary. It was a great first day. Starting was a bit, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हुआ स्टार्टिंग में, क्योंकि एक तो KTM ट्रेन स्टेशन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बिल्डिंग बंद था, एंड द हिस्टोरिकल मोमेंट made by Ahmed that was also under construction. So, and it was very sunny in the beginning, so it was a bit off, but yeah, it started out to be as good as we expected after we visited Petronas Tower. वहाँ से सब कुछ स्मूथ था, बहुत सही था, and just about had some chicken seekh kebab combo and coke. So this is the price as you can see. So it's 25 ringgits for chicken seekh kebab combo, and coke cost around 3.5 ringgits. So the price is not too off the charts, but it is a little bit on the expensive side. But yeah, it's not like you'll feel that you are getting ripped off everywhere. So if you want to have some good food, search for a nearest food court, go there, have food. It's all sorted in the food court, but if you want to visit a separate restaurant, it will be a little bit difficult. So there is a super Christmas celebration going out here in Surya KLCC. There you go, big Christmas tree, huge Christmas tree. A lot of cosplay people are here again. See the crowd. Look at the crowd. It's packed with people. You see that there is barely space to stand. हाँ, एकदम लग रहा है उसे दुबई मॉल के नीचे ही खड़ा है एकदम. हाँ. हाँ. हम भी देखा ये दरबान लोग कितना आता है उनको कोई आइडिया नहीं है. मेरा तो बस GoPro ऑन है. आगे देखो शर्टलेस सैंटा आ रहा है. So this was resembling close to what we saw in Dubai. So there was Burj Khalifa, and उसके नीचे mall था, and there was an area, there was a fountain show. Similarly यहाँ पे भी Petronas Tower, उसके पीछे mall and fountain show in the evening from 7 PM. So it was similar to what we saw in Dubai. So here we are at the KLCC park. So this is the water area where kids are allowed to have fun in water. Only kids, no adults. And you can see a big whale, small dolphins, 2 small dolphins, big whale. And all the park area. There you have the Petronas Twin Towers, where the evening show will start in an hour. And that's all. You have kids play zone there, people walking here and there. It's overall a complete park with everything you can ask for. काफ़ी फैमिली ओरिएंटेड पार्क है, क्या है ना. बच्चा को लाओ, छोड़ दो इधर, बाकी अपना वॉकिंग जॉगिंग करो. हाँ, मोटा भी बच्चा ही है. So that side we have another extension of park. You can see people are jogging there, people are sitting, chilling. Fountain show was little disappointing as compared to the Dubai fountain show, so we didn't stay long, but stay tuned for our next video where we'll be going to Genting Highlands and enjoying everything there, and also we'll be enjoying some local cuisine, local street food in Bukit Bintang in Malaysia. Stay tuned for our next video and subscribe if you haven't. Bye bye, goodbye, Jai Hind.